Добрый день. We continue speaking about plural nouns, and in the last video, the last thing that we discussed was words like преподаватель, words that end in a soft sign, and those words can be of masculine or feminine gender, doesn't matter. If you notice soft sign at the end of the word and you need to make it plural, drop the soft sign, replace it with и, and that's all you need to do. Преподаватели. Музей. If you have a word like музей that ends in и or и краткий, then again, you don't need to worry about the 7-letter spelling rule. Don't need to check for anything. All you have to do is get rid of the top and turn и into e. And this is a reminder that these are two different letters. E is a consonant and E is a vowel. So please don't confuse them. But to make words that end in E or I краткий plural, you need to replace E with E. So музей, музей becomes музей, музей, музей. All right, so that was all about masculine and feminine nouns. And now we have one more gender to discuss, neuter nouns, which have their own endings. And here what you need to memorize is that O changes to A, Ye changes to Ya. With endings, there is no logic, there is nothing to understand. Again, it's all explained historically. That's how the language has developed. That's how the language the native speakers use. So unfortunately, that's all we can do here. Just memorize O to A, Ye to Ya. And here is an example. Общежитие, a neuter noun that ends in Ye. So again, remembering the rule, O to A, Ye to Ya for neuter nouns, Ye to Ya, общежитие, общежитие, общежитие. So in pronunciation, sometimes the difference is not as noticeable. In spelling, it will be very clear, but I'll say one more time. Общежитие, singular, общежитие, plural. Another example, окно, ending in O, neuter noun, so O to A, Ye to Ya, and I'm gonna replace O with A, окна, окна. And here is the summary of all the rules we've discussed. So please notice one more time that all these rules apply to nouns, words that refer to people, places, and things. In the next video, I'll talk about adjectives describing words, which are going to change with nouns and become plural as well in their own way. So here we have masculine and feminine nouns first, and this is where you're checking. Do I have a word ending in iya? If I do, the plural ending is ii. Do I have a word ending in a soft sign? Again, masculine, feminine, doesn't matter. Soft sign changes to e. I loses its stop, becomes e. And then if my word that I'm trying to make plural does not have any of these endings, then I'm checking. Does the stem end in ka, ge, je, sha, che, sha, or he? So if it does, then I cannot add u. I need to add e. Otherwise, in all other cases for masculine and feminine nouns, I'm going to add u. So for masculine nouns, I just add it to the word I have. For feminine nouns, I need to drop the ending first, drop the vowel first, and then put u instead of it. So that's masculine and feminine. For neuter nouns, the rule to remember is O changes to A, Ye changes to Ya, and that's all you need to know. So I know this is kind of hard to process the first time because a lot of different things to remember. So my advice to you would be to maybe print this page or create your own index card or something where you have these notes and look at them while you're working on the online exercises, while you're working on the textbook exercises, and then the more you look at it, you can even post it on the wall in your room, but the more you look at it, the more you use it while practicing, the easier it will become for you to remember it. But again, there is nothing to understand. Unfortunately, it's just something to memorize. Alright, next video, adjectives. Это все. До свидания.